Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give review of this book, Atomic Habit. It's a non-fictional book which is written by James Clear, and in this video I'm going to tell that what this book is all about and how you can build up any new habit and break the bad ones by working on tiny changes, means small changes. So basically, this book is going to tell us that by working on small, tiny changes, how you can get remarkable result at the end when you follow the four laws which are given in this book by the author. So basically, in this book, there are four laws given by the author James Clear. The four laws are: make it obvious, make it easy, make it attractive, and make it satisfying. By using these, by working on these four laws, you can build up any new habit and break the bad ones. So, the very first law is make it obvious. To build up any new habit, first you need to make that habit obvious. Now, the question arises that how you will make that habit obvious. First, you need to make that this thing very clear that what is the main purpose of building that habit, what is the main goal you want to achieve, and in order to achieve that goal you are building that habit. Once it gets clear, it will be very easy for you to work on that habit and to build that particular habit. Once the main target, once the main aim gets clear, what exactly the main goal is, for which for what thing you are working, what thing you are building that habit, so it will be very easier for you to work on that habit. Okay. Suppose if you want to become a good reader, but you do not read, you are not used to of it, so what you will do, um, you will keep books around yourself. Whatever books you have planned, you will keep around yourself, and it will remind you to do reading. You need to make the environment as well accordingly, that accordingly the habit, accordingly the purpose of building that habit, you need to make the environment as well. Suppose if you want to become a good reader, so just keep a lot of book around yourself which will remind you that yeah, you have to go and read the books. Okay, and keep one book whatever you want to read by your side, by your place. Okay, the place where you sleep, by your side, you need to keep that book so that it will remind you. Okay, it will, once it will be visible, once it will be very clear to you, you need to make that particular habit of rebuilding, uh, habit of reading. It will be very easy for you to build up that habit. Okay, and just opposite you have to do for make it like, the law is what, make it obvious. So, for not making it obvious, what you will do, you will keep that book quite far away to you. Not book, you can, you should take example of something else, like if you don't want to just get addicted with this phone, so you can keep this phone quite far away so that you will not be, you are not going to touch that phone and it is not going to be disturbed to you. Okay, so yeah, that is how this law will help you. And the second law is make it attractive. So for building any new habit, you need to make that habit attractive first. Then only you can work on that habit, and then only you can build that particular habit once you make it attractive. Because attractive, we usually what happens that attractive things, we easily get attract on the things which are quite attractive for us, especially girls. When they go in mall and they see the clothes and all, they easily get attract. Yeah, this is looking good, now I'm gonna buy this one only. So that is how this habit is also going to work. Once whatever habit you want to build up, make that habit attractive. Just suppose you want to uh, build a habit of reading book, so make the book shelf attractive, decorate it, keep all the books in the book shelf in a very nice way, so that once it will look attractive, you will be attracted, you will be attracted automatically, you will attract. Okay, and that is how you can build this habit of reading. Okay. Now, the third law is make it easy. To build up any new habit, you need to make that habit easy. In a starting, now we should not burden on ourselves. In a starting, when we are going to build up any new habit, we should make that task very short. Okay, when just suppose that you are not used to of reading book, but you are working on that, like you are working on completing the task for the day, whatever like pages you have decided. Just suppose you have decided that for today you will complete 10 pages, but after reading 5 pages you are like, नहीं अभी तो मेरे को नहीं पढ़ना, I don't want to read now. Okay, I'm not in mood to complete those 10 pages, so you leave it, and that is how you give up. Huh? This sort of goals you just give up, or habit whenever you are just going to in a starting work on that goal. So you need to do one thing, the most important. You need to make that habit very, like you need to make that task very easy in the starting. Just start with 2 pages. Suppose you don't have to read for the day, like for today only, as you decided, 10 pages you will read, but don't do that. In a starting, make the task very very easy. Just decide that for today only you will read 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages in the morning, two in the evening, and then two at night. And that is how you can, because 2 pages are not that enough as it was before, like when it was 10 pages. So it's not that big task for you to complete 2 pages, okay, in the morning easily. It will convey to your mind that no, it's a quite easy thing, quite easy work to read, so you can easily do it. And that is how you can build this habit. Because in the starting it seems quite easy, so when the task become seems easy for you, so it becomes very easier for you to build up. Okay, once you see the task easy, okay, in a starting only, so later on it attracts you to make in a habit. It will help you to build the habit. And that is how you can easily build up habit of reading, by making the habit short in the starting, by deciding that only for today you will read 6 pages, like in morning 2, and at evening 2, and at night 2. Okay, 6 pages. Just you have decided accordingly time. Okay, कि morning, evening, and then noon, 2 pages you only have to read. Once you convey this message to your mind will say कि हाँ, now it is possible, you can do it, and you will see as a result that it is actually possible. Now you are able to read, and after few days you will see that uh, by reading only 2 pages every day, it will be possible for you to read 10 pages in one day only, and it will be at the end become very easy task for you. So that is how you can build up the third that is how you can build up this habit of reading book. So here the first law is make it satisfying. You need to make that habit satisfying. Once you make any new habit, how you will make satisfy yourself? So just give yourself at the end, once you complete the sort of the decided habit, once you complete that habit, so just once you complete the decided goal, so just give yourself a reward. Okay, give yourself a reward that how you have completed it. Once you get reward, then you will be next time more motivated to put more effort for the next time. And that's how you can build up a new habit. That was all about the book Atomic Habit by James Clear. Thank you, and I hope you liked it.